Alright, guys. So we are about to take out Joseph's tooth with where are the little thingies? With this.
Fuck you, I'm not.
Alright, Joseph, come on, Joseph. You can do it.
You won't feel a thing.
Come on, Joseph, you cannot.
Trust me, you won't feel a thing. I've done it before.
Come on.
Except I just like take it out of my hand.
Dude, come on, Joseph, you have to do this.
Come on.
Your only hope. Alright, dude, come on, Joseph. Ready?
I got it, not me.
I want to do it.
You're not let Joseph do it. Alright, ready?
Take it out.
Just like your mom. Come on, Joseph, come on.
Oh crap, I grabbed the wrong tooth.
Come on, 3. Alright, come on. Come on. Joseph, I'm gonna do it for you. You need more platelets?
I'm gonna do it for you if you don't do it.
Yeah.
I'll give you 5 minutes. I mean, not 5 minutes.
5 seconds.
Marco!
Come on, Joseph. You're gonna bleed out, dude.
Let me sit down right
It
now.
looks like you're a vampire. Come on, we gotta make this the best tooth out video.
But I have to grab it with like both, not just one.
Go. This little man's.
Here, I got this.
Do it, Joseph.
I like to see you guys try.
Let me see. Do it.
Well, I
I'll
don't
do
have
it.
a loose tooth, so.
No. Come on, Joseph. I'll do it for you. I'll do it nice.
He's crying.
Dude, you gotta do it really fast. Like, really
He's
fast.
crying.
Yeah. Did the tooth come out?
I don't want to do this. Dude. Alright, if you don't want to, just take it out with your hand.
You just do it.
Oh, you guys see that tooth right there? Take it out. Take the pain! I mean, take the pain out. Look at this straw. Open it up.
Joseph, I'll do it right now, dude. I'll just do it.
I'll pull it out if you don't pull it out. El troll. Yeah, that's the troll. Yeah, otro troll. Has he got?
Hold on.
Take out the moco first. It comes out in the video. Like, nasty. I can like freaking hear it crush. Like.
It's gonna be destroyed before you.
That,
What
The
if it's,
pliers break.
what if it's not even a loose tooth?
Konnichiwa.
Is that so? That's your baby tooth,
Damn.
right? Dude, Joseph, you just gotta. No, you gotta grip it tight like that. The pliers, you gotta.
Oh, mocos.
Why are you your mocos again? Or the blood? Hey.
Hey.
Got a shirt. Dude.
He sharted.
Joseph. Come on, Joseph.
Ah!
He hasn't done it.
Oh my god!